So today's at Alhambra we replace this guy bushing, plus we have new bolt should be replaced. So jack up the car, have fun. Cover, engine cover must go out, so a couple of bolts take out, more access for the guy. So that bolt, it's that one, take this one, and last we try this one. Car it's saved now, so far so good. This is heat shield I'm put over there, gun heat, and we try, yeah, safe, but we see if broke, it's broke, we have new bolt. Bolted snap, so it is bad. We need drill and cut and everything. So hope that bolt come out, that one, and nice and smooth. Somebody was here, so expect everything, and yeah, we need to take that bolt off now. Snap like that, so we need to take grinder cut for flat, drill a new press, hopefully be good. Guys, like you see, this guy make a point in the middle, then Makita drill, first one hole, small hole, then bigger and bigger press, and we put new press, so M10 1.5. So let's start. new battery. And we now do a new fres. Left, right, left, right, and yeah, it's I feel it's never end. Should be longer bolt, put washer here, and should be work, but I want to do a good quality job. Come out, so couple 10 left, so it should be almost guys. Like you see, it's bolt fresh, it's absolutely great. So just now we come back for game, so we put a new bushing. Yeah, so good so far. Okay guys, so lamp order it's go to Volkswagen, so this is like OME, made in China. This is interesting. Of course, start rain, life is brutal. This car must be done. Maybe tomorrow we have Audi A4, maybe, we see. Yeah, we replace the bushing, so lamp order. Left and right on this car exactly the same. We use that tools to take off. That hammer, this is soft hammer. Okay, old one, it's very crack, very hard train. So we hide a little bit. Guys, rain. Yeah, I cleaned the bolt. So, and I put copper grease. I know it's copper grease, it's not perfect for aluminium, but better put something. It's nothing, because on the future we don't have a problem like this time. First, just catch the bolt, make sure it's bolt quite easy come in. If not, this means something wrong. catch everything, put copper grease. I think it's that one was a bad fres, that why broke, no rust. But yeah, keep going. Okay guys, like you see, like buy me new fresh, so yeah, some mechanic probably whatever, it's still 2 bolt, 1 less, this is no problem. Or we can drill and put nuts on the top, but I like do IME. I was in the school set, buy a bolt, exactly this bolt, and exactly do what I'm do, and should be all right. Now we go to another side and we change ball joint. So one more time guys, 1 2 3 bolt like should be. Here it's tight, this ball joint was replaced, last mechanic put left on the right, that's why probably we replace another one. And anyway, when you do one side, be good another side. So we go check our ball joint over there. So in new lamp for the pushing. Side we replace just ball joint. Yeah, it's 1 bolt over here and 3 on the down. Hope no spin, but we see. Problem for that bolt, very tight, very tight. So I put this one guy down and then I try maybe more space I have. That guy, it's a bolt, like you see, it's slightly break, so I don't think so it's I manage, so I have to take off this guy. pop up, even no put bolt out. It is more space. Maybe now it's better. It's like you see, I put this way, no this way, and should be all right. Even but bolt. Like you see, it's loose, so now it's that guy we need snap, take out. Like you see, it is split. I'm go take new one, and yeah, we put new one. It's like you see, lamp holder go to first when you buy car, Volkswagen use lamp holder. Like you see, L mean it's left passenger side. Yeah, we put this guy. First, like I'm saying, somebody use wrong one, well, wrong ball joint for wrong size side. This is R mean it is driver side, whereas driver should be over there. Left, it's left. We sit in the car. Now when you on the front, when you sit behind steering wheel, you have right and left. Passenger it's left, right it's driver, because we Scottish. So yeah, anyway, this one hard work, this one have enough. It's loose, and look, it's very damaged and very loose. This one very tight. Anyway, we replace. That's why I'm saying always replace both left and right. This is what I do for my car, and I recommend for people, but some people don't want to do that. We put new one, and just this one. It is even different when we put in. This one it's flat, come in. Another one, it don't want to come out, no feet. I don't know how to use that. We have a new bolt. That bolt and that free on top, it's done. So yeah, keep going. So alright guys, so alhambra done. So like you see, snap ball, drill and fres cost me 2 hours work. Yeah, but it is done. I know some mechanic probably don't put bolt or whatever. I cannot do that. I buy new bolt from Seat. Both sides already, ball joint done. Last time we do last mechanic put wrong left on the right, right on the left. We fixed this issue. This moment it's good. Like you see, it's both sides. It is a butt ball joint. That's why I'm always say it's if one side you do, another side should be as well. This is depends what customers say. Yeah, it's bushing one side, it's done, another no. I'm tell to owner
we see what he do. Can he want replace? You know, everything costs money. It's still good. Left one, it's still good. I'm go drive test, and we see can everything all right. And yeah, car ready to go almost. Just drive this. Alright guys, test drive absolutely fine, it's good. I don't have any noise, everything worked good. Yeah, just boots open, that why do clink. Yeah, so, and what I can say, passion, love family, VAG family, just VAG family. See ya next time guys.